Do you think the peony tree is beautiful? Today I will guide you how to propagate peony trees using peony branches. Peonies are considered to be a very good feng shui plant, and the red flowers of the plant are also very beautiful, so everyone likes to plant a few peonies in their yard for decoration. Growing and caring for peonies is not difficult. Just watch this video of mine. Today, I will guide you to grow peonies by taking peony cuttings to make seedlings. I chose a branch of an old peony tree, then cut a section and applied anti-scarring medicine to the cut stem, then rubbed garlic around the branch of the nursery tree. After I have rubbed garlic to disinfect and prevent stem borers, I will use aloe vera and insert the seedlings into the aloe vera because aloe vera provides a lot of nutrients. Especially aloe vera stimulates the seedlings to sprout quickly. Chicken eggs provide high nutritional content, and kumquat is a very good antiseptic, so I will crack an egg and then I will squeeze a kumquat into the egg. I will use construction sand to grow seedlings because construction sand helps seedlings to be more airy when germinating. I put construction sand in a small cup, then add beaten eggs and kumquat juice to the sand cup, then take the tree branch to grow the tree and put it in the cup to grow. After a while of attaching the nursery branches have now grown very beautiful new leaves. I will plant them in a larger pot so that the tree can grow better. Now I will use a large ceramic pot to plant young plants. Now I will put sand in the pot and take out the sapling to plant. I fermented the squeezed kumquat eggs for 15 days, and now they have fermented. I continue to use this egg water to water the plants. It's amazing that in just dry 6 days, I can grow a beautiful peony plant. Oh, the peonies are so beautiful. Now I will bring them into the living room to decorate it beautifully. If you find my videos interesting and meaningful, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you everyone for watching my video. Goodbye and see you again.